Alright guys, today we're gonna show you guys how to clean an electrical throttle body on most of the newer cars. These throttle bodies are electrical, so there's things that you have to be careful with. You cannot take your screwdriver or finger and try to get the butterfly inside to open up. The proper way to do it is you're gonna have somebody get inside the car. They're gonna put the key on the accessory, don't start the engine, and they're gonna press the gas pedal and it's gonna let the throttle body open, and that's what we're gonna do. You see, as he presses the pedal inside, it opens. I'm gonna tell him to let go of the pedal. So he let go of the pedal, it goes back to closed position. And the deeper he presses, the more it opens up. If he presses all the way, it opens all the way. That's the farthest it's gonna get. And you can hear that throttle body, the motor cranking in there. And as you can see, if you let go of the throttle body, you're gonna see a black carbon all over on the edge of the fly. So you gotta try to get all that carbon out of there. So that's what we're gonna do. And you can let go now. To clean the throttle body, make sure you have the proper spray, and it's okay for you to spray this in there, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray in there as he opens the throttle body. Go ahead, press the pedal. Alright, so you take this throttle body cleaner and you can spray inside. And then you can take a rag and just wipe the inside of this throttle body. It's gonna become nice and clean and shiny. Alright, so I'm gonna work on this off the camera a little bit because I don't want to damage this throttle body, but that's the way to do it. And once it's clean, I'm gonna show you once the throttle body is all nice and clean. So now I'm all done. The throttle body is nice and clean. The butterfly is clean. The outer edge of the bore is clean. And that's how you do a throttle body clean on these electrical throttle bodies. Let's take a look at inside one time. As you can see, there's no carbon on the edge of the fly either, or the inside the bore of the throttle body.